The first step is to cut off the power supply to ensure the safety. It will be better to unplug the device. And then we need to unscrew the device. There are 4 screws on both two sides and 5 screws on the back. Now I am removing these screws. In order to shorten the process, I have removed some of them before. After removing all of them, we can take off the shell. And now you can see there are 2 EMU slots here. The number 3 slot is on your left, while the number 4 is on your right. The 2 slots can be installed with EMU immediately. With 2 EMU being installed successfully, now we can take off the upper module board to install another slot. We need to remove all the antennas first. There are 7 screws to fix the upper module board. We need to remove them all. And now we can take off the upper module board. We need to prepare an insulating layer to protect it from the damage of static. Then we reverse the board and slightly lay it aside. And this is the lower module board. We can see there is another slot which can also be installed with EMU immediately. The last slot is on the back of the board, and now we are supposed to take it off. There are 7 copper cylinders to fix it, and we should also remove them all before we can take off the lower board. Now we slightly pull it out. We can find the last slot here, and now we can install the EMU. After the installation, we put it back slightly. Screw the 7 copper cylinders to fix the lower module board. Put back the upper board and fix it with the 7 screws. Put back the shell onto the device. And now we can connect the device to the power supply to check if the EMUs have been installed correctly. If there is no mistake, we can fix the shell with the screws.